Hi friends, we will conduct a general live session as we promised in our previous announcement, and this live session will be about careers, the entrance examination and the interview for working at DRDO for computer science engineers. And this live session will be conducted at 7 p.m. on the 20th of May 2020, which is a Wednesday. So please make a note of this time, and this live session will be conducted on YouTube publicly for the benefit of everyone who is considering DRDO as a place that they would like to work in the future. Again, for those of you who may not know, DRDO stands for Defense Research Development Organization, which is one of India's premium government research organization working primarily for defense purposes. Again, for this live session, we have a very accomplished guest. Our guest who will join me in the discussion is Abhilash Bharadwaj. Again, Abhilash is a very smart computer science engineer, and he has cracked DRDO entrance, ISRO entrance, and the entrance examination for BARC, which stands for Bhabha Atomic Research Center, in the year 2019. And he is currently a trainee scientist at Bhabha Atomic Research Center. In a couple of months, he'll become a full-time member, and he'll be a scientist at Bhabha Atomic Research Center itself. And again, he's one of our course registered students for the GATE 2020. And in GATE 2020, he got All India rank 19, which can get him admission to any of the top institutes of India. But Abhilash is very passionate about contributing to India's energy needs by working as a computer scientist at Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So Abhilash has been very kind to walk us through the entrance criteria, his experiences and experiences of his friends getting into DRDO, ISRO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center and National Informatics Center. So we thought we could not cover all of them in one session. So we'll be doing multiple sessions in an interactive fashion in a live chat with Abhilash. And first we are planning to start with DRDO. And then we'll do probably one session for ISRO, one session for Bhabha Atomic Research Center, probably one for NIC, right? So again, Abhilash has been very kind. He's a very passionate student who is very passionate about India's energy needs. And I mean, imagine somebody who can get into any institute of his choice and probably who can crack any product-based company in the world, still wants to work for the government of India, and is very passionate about the energy needs of India. And he chose BARC over other institutions. But he was pretty good at cracking all these three entrance examinations for all these three places last year. So he has first-hand experience, both in terms of careers. He has spoken to a lot of his friends who are already working at DRDO, ISRO and NIC, and then we can get some pointers on that also. He can shed a lot of light on the entrance examination, the pattern of the entrance examination and the interviews at DRDO, ISRO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center and National Informatics Center. So again, on behalf of all of our team, we welcome Abhilash as one of our guest speakers for tomorrow's session. Again, I'm recording this on the 19th of May, so this will be tomorrow, right? So again, see you all. Again, if you think any of your friends from the computer science engineering background would benefit from this session on understanding careers at DRDO or the entrance examination at DRDO, I think this is a session for them to join, right? Again, this will all be available publicly on YouTube. Again, this is the first of its type that we are doing where we have a guest speaker. We'll be doing the live session on Zoom and streaming it onto YouTube. Again, it's an experiment that we are doing. Hopefully, we'll not have any technical glitches. So see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. on our YouTube channel.